Assalamu alaikum again. In this tutorial we're going to talk about the search section, the search menu over here. And because this part is a really big part, especially because we have a simple part and the a little bit more complicated part. It goes about the regular expressions. In this part we're going to talk about the menu only and what we can do with it. So first thing we have over here, if you don't see the menu, you just go to settings and you can click, you see it, the first one, you can show it or close it. So we go back and first we have this tool over here. If you don't have Arabic support in your machine, so you can use this one. Well, I have anyway. So and if you want to search, it's very simple. You can write something in Arabic, for example, kitab, kataba, or like this, and search for it. It will give me 308 because I'm searching in the whole Quran over here. I have the option whole Quran and it will search in every chapter. So, but it doesn't mean I'm searching for the same word exactly, because sometimes it's al-kitab or katibun or something like that. If you look at the shapes over here up and you see all the shapes found kataba in it. So al-kitab, al-kitab, bikutubikum, faktubna, and so on. So all derivatives of this word are within the search. I'm searching now in the Quran over here. It's the table Quran, but I can also choose another translation and search in it. But this is not our subject for now. We are searching only in the Quran, in the Holy Quran, and this is the most important thing. So I have this here, these two buttons over here. The one is to select. If you click it once, it will select the word or the whole phrase over here, or if you click it twice, it will remove it. So it's very important to know about all these small stuff. I'll write it again, and I have auto suggestion here, and I can choose which one of this what I'm writing over here. If I want to choose the root and see all the phrases and all the shapes of this word, I can double click my word, and I have another suggestion here. It's a regular Hinweis is auf German, in German language, so it means a regular expression, and I can choose this form, and it will show me all the shapes of my word. It will find more, I think, if I click on it. 319 exactly. All derivatives of the word kitab are in this regular expression. We're going to talk about the regular expression in the second part precisely because it's a powerful tool, and if you are looking and searching in the Quran in a deep way, really exactly, you need this simple language. It's a simple because you learn it simply, but it needs a lot of logic. So if you have this kind of logic, it will help you a lot. Anyway, we can continue here and we can search, for example, for only selected surahs. We can keep the search here and or make it simple for you, just kataba, and we can choose only surah, or as you know, you can press Control and choose multiple surahs, or press Shift from 2 to 7 like this. So I'm searching now for in surah number 2, and only selected is selected, and we search As you see, we have 44 only in the surah in all shapes. If I look at the shapes, I have here all shapes as well. So this is very helpful. And the third thing is the roots. I want to see the root of this word, from what it came, and so I press now and I see it comes from the word kataba, and all derivatives of this root are written here. And also we talked about it in this in part 2, I think, video 2, about these roots, and you can click and see all the explanation of the root in English or in German over here, and you can see how many verses are 319, and we can see all the verses, and as I said before, you can also click a translation, and you see beside the first beside every verse you see the translation of it. So we go back, and now okay, we found all these shapes in Surah 2, for example, and I want to search in these content for a specific word or a specific letter. I can choose in content, and it will select all the verses in these contents and put it inside, and after that, and I can choose and say, for example, I want to see in these verses if I find the word lillah, for example, and I search for it. Okay, it's in these verses. Before I found 42 where the word Allah, for example, is written inside of them. So this is you can search any search results. The third thing, the fifth thing is a multiple verse. If you don't understand what are roots, there is a small explanation behind every question mark over here. So if you just click it, you go to the how to section, and it will explain it to you. So multiple selection. Okay, this is very important part, because you can choose just different verses. For example, I want to see for chapter 1 verse from 2 to verse 2 only. I can click it like this, and I see verse 2. If I want to see 2 to 5, for example, 2 to 5, I put just this hyphen over here, and it will show me all 4 verses from 2 to 5. If I want to see, for example, 1 and 3 and 6, like this, it will show me only these 1, 3 and 6. I can build more and more like this. For example, in Surah 2, just make a space, and in Surah 2 I'm searching I need the verse number 7 to 9 and 11 and 12 to 17, and so on. So you can build your own multiple verses, and if you click on them, it will show you all these verses you have chosen. To know exactly if or you forgot something, or you are writing something wrong, you just click on the question mark over here, and it will explain to you everything in here, from Surah 1 to 9, for example. If we search, if we want to see 111 to 114, there are 3 surahs. I can click and see all 3 surahs over here. And I can even search in them, for example, how many alifs are there. I'll check the alif and search in these multiples, and I found, you see, there are 19 verses, and I found the alif in 39 times. So as I said, just check this one, and also you have a menu, a right-click menu over here. You can show these verses, or you can click this button. This is the same. So, or you can put surahs that have ALM or initial surahs, or sort if you are writing the multiple verses in a bad manner, just put sort down or sort up. As you can see, all are written here. So if I write show me all surahs that have ALM, it will show me 2, 3, 29, 30, 31 and 32. And if I click on it, I have 679 verses from all these 6 surahs.